Hey everyone, have you ever come across a line that sounds completely contradictory yet somehow makes perfect sense? Like Shakespeare, I must be cruel only to be kind. That is the magic of paradox. But when two opposite ideas stand side by side to create contrast, we enter the world of antithesis. So, in today's lecture, let us explore how these powerful literary devices bring depth, drama, and brilliance of writing. So, paradox. It comes from the Greek word paradoxon, which means contrary to expectation or beyond belief. Like it is a statement that seems self contradictory or absurd, but when examined closely, it reveals a deeper truth. It forces readers to think, to look beyond surface meaning and find the hidden wisdom within the contradiction. For example, Robert Browning has wrote, less is more. So here, less and more, both are contradictory and it is illogical. But the paradox reveals a truth about simplicity. Minimalism can create a greater impact than excess. The next example we have John Donne written Holy Sonnet 14 in which he wrote, that I may rise and stand, overthrow me and bend, your force to break, blow, burn and make me new. So Donne expresses spiritual rebirth through destruction, a paradox of faith and surrender. If you are a music lover, then you should know about this music.
Nothing you can do that can't be done.
This is a fine example of paradox. But the next term we have antithesis means the balance of opposite. Antithesis means opposite in Greek. It is a juxtaposition of contrasting ideas in a balanced grammatical structure, which used to emphasize differences or highlight irony. For example, Charles Dickens wrote A Tale of Two Cities and the opening line is, it was the best of time and it was the worst of time. Here we have best and worst. Dickens does not express his contradiction as truth, but he contrasts extreme to show the chaos of duality of the French Revolution. The another example we have an essay on man by Alexander Pope, in which he wrote, to err is human, to forgive is divine. Here we have to err and to forgive. Both are opposite ideas, human imperfection and divine forgiveness. And again, if you are a music lover, then listen this song and tell me what is the name of the song. So, while paradox challenges your logic, antithesis plays with your sense of symmetry and balance. Hit the bell icon for more updates. Bye-bye.